Hard to believe. Dry cough, wet cough, phlegm cough, and sore throat healed. Lime. Soy sauce. Lime slices. Lime and soy sauce cure cough is true, alias is not a myth. Squeeze the lime into the container. Lime also contains high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants. This content can reduce inflammation and relieve sore throat. The well-known efficacy of lime is to help overcome coughing, attacks and runny phlegm in the throat. Lime can reduce pain due to coughing because of the content of vitamin C and essential oils in the fruit flesh. Add lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Drink 2x a day until the cough is reduced.